Good afternoon. Another beautiful sunny day in South Bank, Brisbane Parkland. Families and kids here today to have a fun and enjoy the day. Today is the 16th of August 2025, and at the moment I am at the entrance of City Cat. If you come to South Bank Parkland, you should plan this trip as well. It's a good, refreshing, and take you from here to a different area. There's a different stops depending on how long you want to enjoy. It's a very cheap, a couple of dollars are as a normal train or bus ticket. Look how the people enjoying the day here. Let me introduce one secret place inside South Bank Parkland. Usually people walk and keep walking, but this is something very unique, I would say, and a secret place or a secret walk, just a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. I would like to go through this path and trek every time whenever I come along with my kids and families, and they love to see this area. This is so beautiful and refreshing. If you see here, it's very nice, cool, and give a very refreshing look. Even if you visit in the summer and a bit hot, but this area always look very cool and very refreshing and pleasant. So see, I'm just walking and giving you a little bit guide. So that's a hidden, or we can say a secret little track inside the trees and bushes, and it's a very, very nice. So if you see on the right side, people walking, but often they forget or they overlook that part. So see how beautiful. Let's go into this side. You can sit here for a few minutes if you really want to have a feel of this area. Otherwise, just keep walking. And there is a different entrance. Now I'm coming from this side and people just entering from that side. There is another access, but you can enter from any side. See, little water flowing, but the sound, the peace and the noise is so nice. Look at that side in front of you, river. So it's a gentle walk and a little sound of the water, very refreshing, and the water I love to come here. I thought it might be a good idea for you guys to introduce. So I just call it secret or hidden spot, but you should plan if you come across in this park. So please give your thought and your opinion and idea if you like that, and if you want something different and more in the detail, I'm happy to have another trip for you guys. And just coming out, and in front of me you see how nice view. So I end this video here. and please add your comments and give your feedback. Thank you very much.